How to fix low quality Roblox mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back. In this guide I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix low quality in Roblox mobile. So to do it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what you want to do is, first thing, you want to come to the Roblox application and log into your account. Here you want to open up any of these games. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna go with this and click on the open button. It's gonna take a couple of seconds in order to load it out, and here you could see this is how it's gonna look like. So what next you want to do is, while you are in the game, you want to click on the menu bar in the top right corner of your screen. So here what you want to do is, you simply want to click on the Roblox icon in the top of the page or in the top left corner of your screen. And what next you want to do is, you simply want to go to the gear icon or settings. So here it is, and then you want to make sure to change some of the graphic settings here or enable some of these options, and you could go ahead and make sure to change it. So when you do it, so you'll be able to change the low quality on Roblox mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.